Namaste parents, hello children, this is AJ. Welcome back to our session. We are learning 10th standard CBSE Mathematics, Chapter 3, Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variables. Let us start exercise 3.5 children. First question, which of the following pairs of linear equations has unique solution, no solution, infinitely many solution? In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. We have already learned cross multiplication method in our previous videos children. We'll just revise it once again. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These are the pair of linear equations in two variables children. Right? We have to write x, y and constant here. And what is the order children? b1, b2 first and next c1, c2. And then a1, a2. b1, b2. Right children? Now cross multiplication method means put cross marks here, here and here like this, and this one, this one, this one and here. Right children? Now just write the formulas children. X divided by this order b1 c2 minus b2 c1, that equal to y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, that equal to constant 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is the formula children. If you want x equal to, x means this b1 c2 will go here, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. If you want y value, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 will go here, divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. These are the formulas children. So let's start the first question. X minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0 children, first equation, and 3x minus 9y minus 2 equal to 0, second equation. Now what we have to do? We have to find out how many solutions. Unique solution, infinitely many solutions or no solution. For that we have to use that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 we have to check. Right children? a1 by a2. Here 1, nothing is there means 1 by 3. Right? This is a1 by a2. Now b1 by b2, here minus 3 is there and here minus 9 is there. Minus 3 by minus 9, minus minus will get cancelled, 3 1s are and 3 3s are, 1 by 3. Now c1 by c2 children, minus 3 and minus 2. Minus 3 divided by minus 2, minus minus will get cancelled, 3 by 2. Now check all the ratios children, 1 by 3 here, 1 by 3 here and 3 by 2 here. That means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. In this case, we have no solutions children. No solutions because parallel lines. Therefore, the pair of linear equations are parallel lines. That means no common points, no solutions. Right children? Second one, 2x plus y equal to 5 and the 3x plus 2y equal to 8 are the equations children. Let's write the equations in standard form. So this will be 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0 and here 3x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0 children. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. Now we'll compare the ratios a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is 2 by 3. And b1 by b2 children. b1 by b2 here 1 and here 2. 1 by 2. Now c1 by c2. Minus 5 divided by minus 8. That means 5 by 8 children. Now see the ratios. a1 by a2 is 2 by 3. b1 by b2 is 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is 5 by 8. So these ratios are not at all equal. If the ratios are not equal means the pair of linear equations are intersecting lines. Intersecting lines, that means how many solutions we have children? We have unique solution, only one. Now in the question they said that if it is unique solution, please find out the solution by using cross multiplication method. Right children? So let us start cross multiplication method. These are the formulas, children. So first we'll find out x value. X equal to B1 C2. B1 is 1 here. 1 into C2. C2 means minus 8. Minus 8, children. Minus of B2 C1. B2 means 2. 2 C1 means minus 5, children. Divided by A1 B2. A1 means 2. B2 means 2. Minus A2 B1. A2 means 3 and B1 means 1, children. 3 into 1. Right, children? Now this equal to 1 into minus 8, minus 8. Minus of 2 into minus 5, minus 10. Divided by 2 2s are 4, minus 3 1s are 3. Minus 8, minus into minus 10 plus 10, children. Divided by 4 minus 3 is 1. Minus 8 plus 10, it is 2 by 1, that equal to 2. X value is 2. Now we'll find y value. Y equal to C1A2 minus C2A1. What is C1A2? C1 is minus 5 and A2 is 3. That means minus 5 into 3. Minus C2A1. Minus 8 into 2. Divided by A1 B2. A1 B2. 2 into 2. Minus A2 B1. 3 into 1. Same here. Denominator same, children. 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. Right, children? Minus 5 into 3 minus 15. Minus of minus 8 into 2. Minus 16. Divided by 2 2s are 4 minus 3. Minus 15. Minus of minus 16. That means plus 16 divided by 1. 16 minus 15. 1 by 1, that equal to 1. So x value is 2, children, and y value is 1. Third one, children, 3x minus 5y equal to 20, 6x minus 10y equal to 40. Let's write the equations in standard form first. 3x minus 5y minus 20 equal to 0. 6x minus 10y minus 40 equal to 0. Now this is first equation and this is the second equation. Right, children? Now let us compare the ratios. A1 by A2 equal to. A1 by A2 equal to 3 divided by 6, children. 3 by 6, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 1 by 2. Right? Now B1 by B2. B1 is minus 5 divided by B2 is minus 10. Minus minus will cancel. 5 1s are, 5 2s are. Now C1 by C2, children. Minus 20 divided by minus 40. Here also minus minus will get cancelled. 21s are, 22s are, 1 by 2. If you see the ratios, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and here also 1 by 2. So these pair of linear equations are coincident lines, children. Coincident lines means we have many solutions. Infinite solution, children. Fourth one, children, x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. This is the first equation. 3x minus 3y minus 15 equal to 0 is the second equation. Let us compare the ratios. A1 by A2 equal to. A1 by A2. Here nothing is there means 1. 1 divided by 3. And B1 by B2. Minus 3 here and minus 3 here. Minus 3 divided by minus 3, that equal to 1 by 1. Now C1 by C2. Minus 7 minus 15. Minus 7 divided by minus 15, children. Minus minus will get cancelled. 7 by 15. If you observe the ratios, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. That means these pair of linear equations are intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means we have only one solution. One solution means unique solutions. If we have one solution, we have to find out the solutions by using the cross multiplication method. Right, children? These are the formulas for cross multiplication method, children. X equal to B1 C2 minus B2 C1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. What is B1 C2? B1 is minus 3, C2 is minus 15. Minus 3 into minus 15 minus B2 C1. B2 is minus 3 and C1 is minus 7. minus 3 into minus 7 children divided by a1 b2. a1 is 1, b2 is minus 3. 1 into minus 3 minus of a2 b1. a2 is 3 and b1 is minus 3. 3 into minus 3 children. Now minus minus plus 3 15s are 45 minus of minus minus plus here 3 into 7 21 divided by 1 into minus 3 minus 3 3 into minus 3 minus 9 children, again minus is here, so it will be plus 9. Now 45 minus 21, it is 24 minus 3 plus 9 children, 6. 6 4s are 24, so x value is 4. Let's find y value. Y equal to C1 A2 minus C2 A1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Right? What is C1 A2? C1 is minus 7, A2 is 3. Minus 7 into 3. Minus C2 A1. Minus 15 into 1. Minus 15 into 1 children. Divided by denominator is same. So I am writing minus 3 plus 9 directly. Right children? So minus 7 into 3 is minus 21. Minus of minus 15 into 1 is minus 15. Divided by 9 minus 3 is 6. Minus 21 plus 15 by 6 children. Minus 21 plus 15, that is minus 6 divided by 6 again. 6 by 6 is 1. Minus is there, so minus 1. Therefore, y value is minus 1. Here x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 1 is the solution. Second question, first one children. For which values of a, b does the following pair of linear equations has infinite number of solutions? Right children? They have given 2x plus 3y equal to 7. A minus b of x plus a plus b of y equal to 3a plus b minus 2. Let us write the equations in standard form. So we have to do it ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So 7 will come this side, minus 7 equal to 0. I am changing here only children. Do not get confused. So this is the first equation. And here also the constant 3a plus b minus 2 will come left hand side. So it will be minus of 3a plus b minus 2 equal to 0. This is the equation 2. Right children? Now they said infinitely many solutions. That means a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Right children? Then only we will get many solutions. So what is a1 by a2 children? Here a1 is 2. 2 divided by a2 means a minus b. A minus b, that equal to b1. b1 is 3 divided by b2 means a plus b children. A plus b, that equal to c1 by c2. c1 is minus 7. Minus 7 divided by c2 is minus of 3a plus b minus 2. So minus of 3a, that means minus 3a. I am multiplying with minus directly. Minus b, minus into minus 2 plus 2. So this is the condition. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. And now we have to find out a and b values here. Right children? So first we will take this 2. So 2 by a minus b equal to 3 by a plus b. So this will be 2 of a plus b is equal to 3 of a minus b. I am doing just cross multiplication. I am sending this a plus b here and a minus b here. First I took only these 2. Right children? So 2a plus 2b equal to 3a minus 3b here. Therefore 3a will come here. So 2a minus 3a plus 2b and minus 3b also send here plus 3b equal to 0. Now 2a minus 3a minus a, 2b plus 3b plus 5b equal to 0. This is the first equation. From this 2. Right children? Now I am taking first and third one children. First and third ratio. Right? So that I can write the same thing here, no? That equal to 2 by a minus b. Right? So here I am comparing these two ratios. Now do cross multiplication as usual. Here and here. Right children? Now minus 7 into a minus b equal to 2 into minus 3a minus b plus 2 children. I'm just writing the ratio here. That's it children. And cross multiplication. Minus 7 into a minus 7a minus 7 into minus b plus 7b, that equal to 2 of this all, minus 6a minus 2b plus 4 children. Right? Get all the terms one side. So minus 7a, this will be plus 6a, plus 7b here and plus 2b. Plus 4 will come here, minus 4 equal to 0. Now minus 7a plus 6a minus a plus 7b plus 2b plus 9b minus 4 equal to 0. This is the second equation children. From these two equations we have to find out a and b values now. These are the two equations children. So I am subtracting the equations. Subtracting 1 minus 2 because I can eliminate the first term. Now change the sign, plus, minus and plus here. Right children? Here nothing is there means 0. Right? If you want you can write. Minus a plus a, it will get cancelled. It is 0 plus 5b minus 9b minus 4b plus 4 equal to 0 children. So from here minus 4b equal to, send this plus 4 right hand side, minus 4. Now b equal to minus 4 divided by minus 4, it is 1. Therefore, b value is 1 children. Now, what is a value? Substitute in any equation. First equation I am taking minus a plus 5b equal to 0, right? Minus a plus 5 into 1. b is 1, right? Equal to 0. Minus a plus 5 equal to 0. Minus a equal to minus 5. a equal to 5. Now, a is 5 children and b is 1. Therefore, a equal to 5 and b equal to 1 are the values children for the given equations. Then only we will get many solutions, infinite solutions. Right children? Second one children, for which values of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solutions? First one 3x plus y equal to 1. Second one 2k minus 1 of x plus k minus 1 of y equal to 2k plus 1. Right children? First we will change the equations in standard form. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So send this 1 to left hand side. It will be minus 1 equal to 0. This is the first equation children. Now this one 2k plus 1 is the constant. Send this one to left hand side. So it will be minus of 2k plus 1 equal to 0. This is the second equation children. They said no solutions children. That means what is the condition? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. Right children? This is the condition. Now we will find out the ratios a1 by a2. Here a1 is 3 divided by a2 is 2k of minus 1. 2k minus 1, that equal to b1 by b2. b1 is 1 divided by b2 is k minus 1 children. K minus 1 but not equal to c1 by c2. c1 is minus 1 divided by minus of 2k plus 1. Let's multiply with minus directly. Minus 2k minus 1. Correct children? So these are the ratios. Now we have to find out the value of k. So here I am taking this 2 to find out k value children. What we have to do? We have to do cross multiplication. Send this k minus 1 to left hand side and send this 2k minus 1 to right hand side children. Correct? So 3 of k minus 1 is equal to 1 of, that means 1 into 2k minus 1 is 2k minus 1. Correct children? 3k minus 3 equal to, I am multiplying with 3. 3k minus 3 equal to 2k minus 1. Send all the terms one side. 3k minus 2k minus 3 already here. Minus 1 will come plus 1 equal to 0. 3k minus 2k, that is 1k. K minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 equal to 0. So what is k value children? It is plus 2. Therefore k equal to 2 children for the given equations that has no solution. Right children? Third question children, solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution and cross multiplication methods children. First one 8x plus 5y equal to 9. Second one 3x plus 2y equal to 4. Let us change the equations in standard form first. So 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. This one first equation. And second one 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. This is the second equation. Right children? Substitution method. What we have to do? We have to find out x value and put it in another equation. Right children? So from second equation we can write 3x equal to, see this part will go to right hand side, it will be plus 4 and minus 2y. Right? Now x equal to 4 minus 2y divided by 3 children. Now we have to put this value in first equation. Correct? What is the first equation? 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. 8 of x value children. X means 4 minus 2y divided by 3. Correct? Plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. This is the first equation. Correct? Now let's multiply. 8 into 4. 32 minus 8 into 2. 16y divided by 3 plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. Let's take LCM here. 3 is here. Now 32 minus 16y plus 3 5s are 15y minus 3 9s are 27 equal to 0 children. So let us send this 3 right hand side. Now from here 32 minus 27 minus 16y plus 15y equal to 0. Now 32 minus 27, it is 5 children, minus 16y plus 15y. That means minus 1y equal to 0. Now what is y value? From here y is 5. Correct children? Now we have to find out x value. We already know that x equal to 4 minus 2y divided by 3. Let's put y value here. So x equal to 4 minus 2y means 5 divided by 3. That equal to 4 minus 10 divided by 3. 4 minus 10 minus 6 by 3. So what is x value? X is minus 2. Right children? X value is minus 2 and y value is 5. This is substitution method. Now we are finding the solution by using cross multiplication method for the same equations. We have to use these formulas. X equal to B1 C2. B1 is 5 and C2 is minus 4. 5 into minus 4 minus of B2 C1. 2 minus 9 children. 2 into minus 9 divided by A1 B2. 8 into 2. 8 into 2 minus A2 B1. 3 into 5. Now this is 5 into minus 4 children minus 20 minus of 2 into minus 9 minus 18 divided by 8 2s are 16 minus 3 5s are 15. Correct children? Now this is minus 20 minus of minus 18 plus 18 divided by 16 minus 15 1. Minus 20 plus 18 children, that is minus 2. So what is x value? Minus 2 children. Now we will find out y value. Y equal to C1 A2 minus 3 into 9 children minus of C2 A1. C2 is minus 4, A1 is 8. Minus 4 into 8. We know that denominator is same only. So I am writing directly 1 or else 16 minus 15. Correct children? Minus 3 into 9 is minus 27. Minus of minus 4 into 8 minus 32 divided by 1. Minus 27 plus 32 by 1 children. 32 minus 27, that equal to 5. So y value is 5 children. X equal to 2 minus 2 and y equal to 5 is the solution. Fourth question children, from the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions by any algebraic method. First one, a part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. Right children? When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay 1000 rupees. Whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays 1180 rupees hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and find the cost of food per day. Right children? So we don't know fixed charges and cost of charge per day. So let the fixed charge be X and let the food charge per day y. Right children? Because we don't know the fixed charge and per day charge. So here student A, she is taking food for 20 days. 20 days and she is paying 1000 rupees. Correct. This type of questions we have already done in previous videos children, because fixed charges they have to pay compulsory. So you have to write X and now daily. How many days she take? 20 days. So per day it is Y rupees. Right children? Per day daily charges it is Y. For 20 days means 20 into Y, 20Y. So totally she is paying 1000 rupees. This is the first equation. Now for student B, how many days she is taking food? 26 days. For that she is paying 1180 rupees. Correct children? So here also she has to pay fixed charges. That is compulsory. So fixed charges we don't know. So let's write X plus how many days she is eating? 26 days. One day it is Y rupees charge. For 26 days, 26 into Y, 26Y. So totally she is paying 1180. This is the second equation children. Right? Now we have to solve these equations by any algebraic method. Let us do with elimination method. Right children? Now in the both equations we have first term X and X no. So let us subtract 1 minus 2 children. So I am writing the second equation here. X plus 26Y equal to 1180. Right, same equation I am writing here. Now we have to do subtraction. So change sign, minus here, minus here, minus here. X minus X will get cancelled, it is 0. 20Y minus 26Y, that means minus 6Y equal to 1000 minus 1180. Minus 180. Right? From here Y equal to, because 6Y equal to 180, minus minus will get cancelled. So Y equal to 180 by 6, that equal to 30. That means Y is per day charge 30 rupees. Now let's find out X value. Put the Y value in any equation. Right children? I am taking first equation again. So X plus 20Y equal to 1000 here. This is the first equation. X plus 20Y means 30. That equal to 1000. X plus 20 into 30 children, 600 equal to 1000. So X equal to 1000 minus 600. That equal to 400. 400 means 400 rupees. So what is X value? That is fixed charges. What is the fixed charges children? That means a student has to pay 400 rupees compulsory. This is fixed charges. Now per day charge. After that fixed charge, if they are still taking the food means per day they have to pay 30 rupees. Correct children? Now second one children, a fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. So let the fraction be X divided by Y. Right children? What is the first statement? A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from numerator. So 1 has to subtract from numerator. Numerator means X minus 1 divided by Y equal to 1 by 3. So this is the first one. Right children? Now what is the second statement children? It becomes 1 by 4. So the same fraction becomes 1 by 4 children when 8 is added to its denominator. What is the denominator here? Y. So we have to add 8. So this is the second statement. Right children? Now send this 3 to left hand side and Y to right hand side. So 3 of X minus 1 equal to Y into 1 means Y children. So 3X minus 3 equal to Y. This is the first equation. Correct? Now here also same thing. 4 into X. 4X equal to Y plus 8. This is the second one. Correct children? Here I use substitution method. Here already I have Y equal to 3X minus 3. So I am substituting. Substitute first equation in second one. Correct, children? Now these are the first and second equation. So we are substituting first equation in second one. Y equal to 3x minus 3. Right, children? So 4x equal to, in y place we have to write 3x minus 3 plus 8. Now send this 3x to left hand side, children. So therefore 4x minus 3x equal to 8 minus 3, that equal to 5. Correct, children? 4x minus 3x means x only. X equal to 5. Correct? Now we know x value. What is y? Y equal to 3x minus 3. Correct? So y equal to 3, x means 5. Right? 5 minus 3. 15 minus 3, children. So y equal to 12. Y equal to 12. So what is the fraction? X means numerator. X value is 5 divided by y value is 12. 5 by 12 is the fraction. Third question, children. Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks had been deducted for each incorrect answer, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? Right, children? So totally test marks is 50. Correct, children? We don't know how many right answers, how many wrong answers are there. So let the number of right answers be x and let the number of wrong answers be y, children. So what is the first statement? Yash scored 40 marks. He totally scored 40 marks for getting 3 marks for each right answer. Right answer means x, children. He got 3 marks. 3 marks means 3 into x. 3x. Correct, children? He got 3 marks for right answers. 3 into x. Plus, and what he got? Losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Losing 1 mark. Losing means negative. So that means minus 1. Correct, children? Losing 1 mark for wrong answer. Wrong answer means number of wrong answers y. Here he lost 1 mark. Minus 1 into y. Minus y. Right, children? This is the first equation. Correct? And what is the second statement, children? Had 4 marks has been awarded for each correct answer. Actually 4 marks for each correct answer. Correct, children? So 4 marks. Number of right answers x, children. 4 into x, 4x. And 2 marks had been deducted for each incorrect answer. Now number of wrong answers y. 2 marks has to deduct, reduce. That means negative 2 marks. So negative 2 into y minus 2y. So total marks is 50. This is the second equation, children. Right? So we have equations. Let us solve by substitution method. From first equation, I can write y equal to, this y will go to right hand side. It will be 3x minus 40, children. Now we have to substitute this y value in second equation. Correct? So 4x minus 2, in y place we have to write 3x minus 40, children. That equal to 50. Correct? 4x minus 2 into 3x minus 6x minus 2 into minus 40 plus 80 equal to 50. Now 4x minus 6x minus 2x, 50 minus 80. Right, children? So minus 2x equal to minus 30. From here x equal to minus will get cancelled. 30 divided by 2, that equal to 15. X value is 15, children. Correct. Now we know x value. We have to substitute in y. Y equal to 3x minus 40, children. Now put the x value here. Y equal to 3 into 15. In place of x we are writing 15 minus 40. Correct, children? 3 15s are 45 minus 40. That equal to 5. Y equal to 5 here. Y means number of wrong answers. 5. X means number of correct answers. That equal to 15. Right, children? Now check. 4 correct answers. 4 into 15. 60 minus 2 wrong answers. 2 into y. 10. 60 minus 10, children, it is 50. That is the test marks. Correct, children? Therefore, number of right answers that equal to 15 children and number of wrong answers equal to 5. So, how many total number of questions? 20 children. 15 plus 5, 20 questions are there. Fourth question children. Places A and B are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another car starts from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction, different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of two cars, children? We don't know the speeds of first and second car. Let the speed of first car is u. U means you know that speed equal to distance by time. That means kilometers per hour. And the second car speed be v, that is also kilometers per hour, children. So what is the first statement, children? Both the cars 100 kilometer apart on highway. That means the distance is 100 kilometers for both the cars. Right? And one car starts from A and another car starts from B at the same time. They are starting at same time means the speed. The speed means it is different. Right, children? Different speeds at the same direction. Correct, children? That means u minus v, different speeds. One speed is negative. U minus v it is equal to distance by time. Distance means 100 kilometers. 100 divided by in how many hours they are going? They are meeting 5 hours. Distance by time is 100 by 5 here. That is the first one. Correct, children? That means u minus v equal to 100 by 5 means 20. This is the first equation, children. Now what is the second statement, children? If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. That means with the same speeds. They travel each other means with same speeds. That means u plus v equal to distance by time again. 100 meters distance, 100 kilometers. Right. 100 kilometers distance in 1 hour they will meet. That means 1. Correct, children? So, u plus v equal to 100. This is the second equation. Right, children? Now, we have to solve these equations. Now, I am using elimination method, children. So, equation 1 plus equation 2 so that I can eliminate the second term. So, here I am writing the second equation u plus v equal to 100. Correct, children? So, I am adding means v minus v will get cancelled. It is 0 plus u. That means 2u equal to 100 plus 20, 120. From here u equal to 120 by 2. That means 60. Now we'll find out v value, children. We can substitute u value in any equation. Right? I'm taking second equation u plus v equal to 100. U is 60. That means 60 plus v equal to 100. Therefore, v equal to 100 minus 60, children, that equal to 40. What is u? The speed of first car. That means 60 kilometers per hour. The speed of second car is 40 kilometers per hour. That is v value. Right, children? Fifth question, children. The area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. If we increase the length by 3 units and the breadth by 2 units, the area is increased by 67 square units. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. We don't know the length and breadth of a rectangle first. So, let the length of a rectangle is x and let the breadth of a rectangle is y. We know the area formula, children. What is the rectangle area? Rectangle area equal to length into breadth, L into B. That means here x into y. We have taken xy, no? So, x into y. What is the first statement? The area of a rectangle gets reduced. That means area of a rectangle means xy. Xy is reduced. Reduced means minus how much? 9 square units. Xy minus 9. When? If length is reduced by 5 units. That means length means x. X is reduced by 5 means x minus 5. And breadth is increased by 3 units. Breadth means y. Y is increased. Y plus 3. Right, children? This is the first statement. Let us solve this one. X into y. Xy y into minus 5y. Now with 3 plus 3x minus 15 equal to xy minus 9 children. Here also xy and here also xy, we can cancel this one. Now this will be 3x minus 5y equal to minus 15 will go right hand side, plus 15 minus 9, it is 6. This is the first equation. Correct children? Now what is the second statement? If we increase length by 3 units, that means length means x plus 3. Increase length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units. So y plus 2. Then the area means xy is increased by 67 square units. That means xy plus 67. This is the second statement children. Let us solve this one also. Multiply with y. Xy here, y into 3 plus 3y. Now with 2 plus 2x. Again plus 2 into 3, 6. That equal to xy plus 67 children. Here we have xy and here also we have xy. Let's get cancelled. Now the equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 67 minus 6 children. 6 will go to right hand side. So this will be 61. This is second equation children. Now we have to solve these two equations by substitution method. From the first equation we can write 3x equal to 6 plus 5y children. But we want only x value, therefore x equal to 6 plus 5y by 3. Now substitute this x value in second equation. Correct children? 2 into x means 6 plus 5y divided by 3 plus 3y equal to 61. Correct? Now 2 6 are 12 plus 2 5s are 10y divided by 3 plus 3y equal to 61. Let's take LCM as 3 children. From here 12 plus 10y and 3 into 3y 9y equal to 61. Correct. So here 12 plus 19y equal to 61 into 3 children 183. Right. Here 19y equal to children 183 minus 12, that equal to 171. Y equal to 171 by 19. That means y value is 9 children. Now we'll find out x value. X equal to 6 plus 5y by 3. Just substitute y value here. X equal to 6 plus 5 into 9. Y value is 9 divided by 3. 6 plus 5 9s are 45 divided by 3 children. 6 plus 45, 51 divided by 3, that is 17. X value is 17 here and y value is 9 here. What is x means? Length of a rectangle is 17 and breadth of a rectangle is 9 units children. We'll do the remaining questions in next session children. Thank you very much.